this is Olivia. Welcome to my channel. And today we're going to cook fried chicken, a la Max Fried Chicken. So I'm going to prepare. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please don't forget to subscribe down below and click the thumbs up sign if you like my videos, and don't forget to click on the notification bell there so you'll be updated on my future videos. And don't forget to comment down below too, so I'll know you passed by, you came by. And now we're going to prepare the chicken. I want to make it fried chicken a la Max. So we're going to try the recipe that I got. And let's start. I got a small chicken. That's the only one in our freezer. So I'm going to use this. We have to steam the chicken, and we have to put bay leaf on the water. That's going to make the chicken smells good. I'm gonna put the small ones na lang. And that's the bay leaf. This one, bay leaf. And I will put some parsley leaves or any other spices you have on your pantry, so your chicken will smell good. You will steam your chicken there. I'm going to wait for it to boil. The water is boiling now. Yes. And we will put the chicken. We will steam the chicken for, let's see how long. So I'm gonna steam it now. After steaming it and letting it dry, let it dry for around 1 hour. And it's now time to put some salt and pepper. Huwag madaming salt. It's not dry this side, no. Maybe I should put it in masyado ata madami yung ko salt. Maliit lang ang chicken. And now let's put some pepper. I will let it dry this side naman. Okay. We're gonna fry it later. We're now going to fry our chicken. I'm gonna add some new oil to the old one. I'm gonna heat it up. I'm gonna put it inside later. If it's hot enough. It's not yet hot. Put inside now. Oil is not too much, so I think I'm gonna put it on its side. Babain ko lang yung mga oil. Kung fried chicken. Lagay natin sa kabila. I have to put it on its side. This is the finished product of my fried chicken. It looks so good. Yes.